How to fix Instagram audio calling option not showing problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram audio calling option not showing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, now you need to open up your Instagram and then go with the messages. Under messages, as you can see that on the top right, I have an audio message or audio call option. But if you don't have that audio call option, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store, any application that you are using. And here you need to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. And from apps, you need to go with manage apps. And here you need to search for Instagram. After opening Instagram, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back, remove all of these, and open up your Instagram. Go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now scroll down, and here you will have report a problem section. You need to just go with, you might have help center, tap on help. Under that, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem again, and tap on don't include, and here you can briefly explain what happened. So you need to type hello Instagram, kindly enable my audio call feature. I don't have that feature, it's missing from my Instagram. After that, you can go with send, or you can also upload some screenshots if you want to, and in this way you'll be able to fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.